welcome back to our channel. My name is Kyleigh. I am the co-owner of Freedom Vans, and today I have a Mercedes Sprinter 170 four-wheel drive full conversion to show you. This conversion is for a very sweet couple who recently retired, and they actually have a big background in sailing. They do a lot of sailing, lots of boat influence on this project, and you'll see that in how we added companion lights, a foot pump, and a couple of other unique touches to this van. These clients are retired veterinarians, so they love dogs and have some special features for their dog as well. Let's go ahead and start on the interior of this van conversion today. So starting with the kitchen galley, on the back of the kitchen galley right here, we have a fold down table. This will be great for using for outside use. And then on the front of the kitchen galley, we do have a pull-out drawer, which gives them easy to access storage, perfect for dog leashes, headlamps, anything that they need to grab on the go, as well as our enclosed wheel well storage here also. Inside of this van, we have a ton of storage, and these clients were so intentional about what they wanted to store in their van and how they wanted their storage to look. So it's very unique to our projects. These clients came to visit us before they started the design process, and they actually took a look at some of the wood that Tom had milled. And so this is a very unique log that Tom had found and dried for them. And they decided to go with this as the theme for all of the drawer fronts for their cabinetry. For the kitchen galley, they have this really long, over 6 foot long kitchen. They do have a flip up countertop for extended countertop space, as well as covers for their dual burner cooktop and their sink. For storage, they went with a lot of drawer storage in this van. So we have pull-out drawers underneath here, a couple of more pull-out drawers in the center of the kitchen. We have a pull-out composting toilet. Underneath the sink, we have a pull-out drawer for their gray water. Will be a great place for their trash can, any taller items. And then they have a pull-out pantry. Underneath they have the pull-out pantry, they have a foot pump for their faucet. That's a really cool boat feature that they brought with them. These really beautiful matte black faucets here. So we have the foot pump, we have their regular faucet, we have a soap dispenser, and then we have their water filter as well. The foot pump will allow them to save water while on the road. It'll take a lot less than this sink faucet, which I believe that the faucet runs 1.5 gallons per minute. Behind their sink, they have a stainless steel backsplash. Really sweet. Ember the other day randomly brought magnets into my car, and I found them before this photo shoot in my car, and they just happened to be sailboats. So maybe we'll send one of those home with them too. Behind the kitchen galley over here, sometimes when we do this layout, we do a wet room here. They do have an outdoor shower and a composting toilet. So we went with closet space here. They have a nice large closet with a mirror. They also have their fuse block and AC distribution panel up here, as well as their temperature sensor. So this is actually the sensor, that's the monitor inside of here, but that will allow them to check the temperature from their phone when they're not in the van to make sure that their dog is nice and comfortable. Underneath the closet, we do have a pull-out step, which also serves for extra storage. I have a feeling that pull-out step is gonna age really well. It just is like a really nice, large, solid spot to step down onto. Next to the closet, we do have some more storage, so a nice big storage area. That'll be great for extra food in addition to their pantry area. And then we have a microwave above there, and then we have a nice large Vitrifrigo refrigerator and freezer. Back in the bed area, so these clients will be sleeping side to side. They have some a storage shelf above with some bungees. Right now we have their rear privacy curtain that also has a bug screen in it, and then a shower curtain for the back as well. And then their queen size bed area, the partition wall, we did put a little handle here. We have a door in the partition wall if they need to access anything in their garage space from inside here. We do have body flares, so they have up to 6'5" of sleeping space, with some awning windows inside of the flares. And then above the bed, we have an electric skylight, their exhaust fan, and some reading lights. One other thing back here, we do have this switchboard. This allows them to control their lights, including all of their companion lights and their roof lights from their bed area. On the exterior of the van, they did go with a 6.3 lift kit suspension system from Van Compass. They're hoping to upgrade the front shocks to these E-Adapt shocks when they become available. Unfortunately, they didn't become available during this build, but that'll be a really cool new feature to do next. They do have a roof rack that has 360 lights, so side lights, front lights, reverse lights, all the lights, and an F80S awning up there, as well as 2 60 cell panels. This van does have a reverse camera up top, so that's in addition to the factory camera. That's something that they'll be able to watch while they're driving. And then in the back here, we have their garage area. One of the sweet extra touches that our team added to this van are these waves on the door panels. I'm really happy with how this turned out. This garage is also a testament to how detail-oriented these clients are. So these pull-out trays are at a slight angle, so they can be hosed down, and then when they're out, they will drip down and out. And you can see the rubber inside of here is fully sealed, the wood's fully sealed, and there are some drain holes at the end of the trays. Mounted in the garage space, we have this really cool shower platform. This mounts to their hitch and would be strong enough for them if they want to stand on it, but another purpose of it is actually so that they can bathe their dog on this, so lucky pup. On the driver's side, we have our power system. They do have heated lithium batteries, which will be really awesome so that they can use their batteries in freezing temperature. Within this power system, we have their air compressor. On the other side of the van, we have their water system. They do have an electric water heater. They have their outdoor shower, and then they have a high pressure hose down pump as well. And then you can see inside of here, we did the companion lights, our storage lights, and then this beautiful sideboard to their bed with some extra hook storage. And I totally forgot to mention, but inside we do have some flip down hooks on their sliding door as well. And then lastly, just outside of the garage, we do have this rear tug step. On the front of the van, we do have a California tuned off-road bumper. So they have recovery D-rings on both. So if this thing ever gets stuck, they're gonna get out, no problem. Thank you so much for going on this tour with us today. Lots of cool features in this van. Let me know what your favorite feature in the van is. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you again soon. Bye.